Welcome to our video on important tips for choosing the best concrete contractor in Denver for your patio. If you're planning to build or renovate your patio, hiring the right concrete contractor is crucial for a successful and long-lasting project. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips to help you make an informed decision and ensure a top-notch contractor working on your patio. The first tip is to assess the experience and expertise of the concrete contractor. Look for contractors who have significant experience in working with patios specifically. Check their portfolio and see if they have successfully completed similar projects in the past. It's also important to ensure that the contractor has the necessary certifications and licenses to work in Denver. By choosing an experienced and knowledgeable contractor, you can trust that they will deliver high-quality work on your patio. Another important tip is to check references and reviews of the concrete contractor. Reach out to their previous clients and ask about their experience working with the contractor. Did they complete the project on time? Was the quality of work satisfactory? Additionally, look for online reviews and ratings to get a broader perspective on the contractor's reputation. Positive reviews and satisfied clients are indicators of a reliable and trustworthy contractor for your patio project. It's always a good practice to request multiple quotes from different concrete contractors. This allows you to compare prices and services offered by different contractors. However, keep in mind that choosing the cheapest option may not always be the best decision. Consider the overall value, expertise, and reputation of the contractor, along with the price. A slightly higher-priced contractor with a solid track record may be a better choice for your patio project. Effective communication and transparency are essential when dealing with a concrete contractor. A good contractor will keep you informed about the progress, any challenges, and potential delays. They will also be transparent about the costs and provide detailed contracts outlining the scope of work. Pay attention to how responsive the contractor is during the initial phases of communication. Clear communication and transparency will ensure that the project runs smoothly and meets your expectations. Make sure the concrete contractor you choose has proper insurance coverage. This includes liability insurance to protect you in case of any accidents or damages during the project. Additionally, inquire about warranties for their work. A reputable contractor will offer warranties that cover any issues that may arise after the completion of the project. Insist on written documentation of both the insurance coverage and warranties for your peace of mind. To summarize, choosing the best concrete contractor in Denver for your patio requires careful consideration. Assess their experience and expertise, check references and reviews, request multiple quotes, ensure effective communication and transparency, verify insurance coverage and warranties, and always prioritize overall value over the cheapest price. By following these tips, you can confidently choose the right concrete contractor for your patio project.